Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Crude oil prices have surged to a 3-month high, with Brent rising nearly $10 per barrel since the government slashed duties on petrol and diesel last month to lower prices. The rally in crude prices has occurred despite forecasts of a sharp global economic deceleration. A dearth of IPOs, a plunge in stock prices and slowing global economic growth are clouding the outlook for revenue at global investment banks after pandemic spending by governments and central banks fueled a blockbuster 2021. Japan's government and central bank said they were concerned by recent sharp falls in the yen in a rare joint statement, the strongest warning to date that Tokyo could intervene to support the currency as it plumbs 20-year lows. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 3.5% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the oil drop 0.7% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's industrial production will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's manufacturing production at 0600 GMT. The UK's NIESR GDP estimate at 1100 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's Financial Review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.